It's Nancy Slayton, and it is the 19th of November. So let's talk about what's happened this last week, Joe.
Okay, since last Thursday, on Friday we drilled the piles out here, and then on Monday we pounded the steel piles. And they're inside these holes here. We cut them down to the final height.
Okay.
And we've actually excavated for the grade beam and pile caps that go on there. So tomorrow we're going to start pouring the concrete foundations, footings that tie these together.
Right.
So that's final. There'll be some rebar welded in there. Later today, concrete crew is coming to start the rest of the rebar. Tomorrow we'll actually pour the foundation footing itself.
Great.
Once that's done, we'll backfill it. By the end of next week, if the weather cooperates, we should have it backfilled level, ready for the steel for the porch floor.
Okay.
And up here, we set the gazebo today. So you can see it. All that framing was in ahead of time ready. We set this with the crane, zoomed it up. You can see it on your video. This is going to allow us now to complete the rest of the roof. So,
And what's the time frame for that?
if there wasn't raining, we'd be up there today. Probably we should be done with this Monday.
Great.
The rest of the sheeting on there. Inside here, see a little electrical going on. You know, waiting for the roof. Some electrical boxes in the ceiling and pipe. That roof work we had talked about last week, that will take place after Thanksgiving. We'll start the demolition back there. You can see some plumbing work, and there's this vent stack going up through the roof there.
Okay. And stairs, no more ladder.
No more ladder, you just get up and down. That's a duct riser there. This is actually exhaust and fresh air intake for your kitchen downstairs. It's the box we've been working around. Once we're completed, we'll be able to tie that in and we can get rid of that.
Good.
Down there, you'll see a little more ductwork. The sprinkler mains, that's this piping. That's the rough work completed down here. That's as far as that goes until you put the ceiling in and then it ties down into it. Back over here, it's kind of covered up because it's being protected by the rain, but that's the main piece from your main panels downstairs, run up to inside the dining room to your new panels.
Okay. I wasn't aware you were taking that out. That's good.
Yeah. This is still active now. That's what we've been kind of working around it. We won't be able to do the final connection until January when you guys are gone, but as soon as that's done, we're prepared to just flip it and store that opening in the morning.
Great.
It's a good view of up at the gazebo. Yeah.
That looks wonderful. Okay.
And then back over here, stuff you've seen before, but a lot more mechanical work up in the ceiling there. Sprinkler, plumbing, HVAC stuff. All this stuff gets covered up in the ceiling there. We're also working on the eyebrow on the lake side right now. Steel was set last week, so we're able to finish that arch opening. That'll complete the roof deck there. And again, once we're done tying the cupola, there's another arch on this front. We got started on it, stopped because of rain. We should get back on that early next week.
Great. Thank you. Well done.